Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome! Here's your guide to Adobe Animate's Tool by Tool series. In this first episode, we are going to talk about the most basic, but also the most important tool, the selection tool. Yes, the arrow you currently see on the canvas. That black arrow is the selection tool. Most software have a similar icon for the selection tool. It's the default tool. You can press V on your keyboard to activate it. As soon as you open Animate, this tool is already active. This tool is used to select, move, resize, or delete any object, whether it's a shape, symbol, text, or any artwork created on the stage. Let me demonstrate. Suppose I draw a rectangle using the rectangle tool. Then, I draw a circle with the oval tool. Now, if I use the arrow and click on either shape, I can select them. If I want to select both together, I can hold the Shift key and click one after the other. That way, multiple objects get selected together. Also, a smart trick, you can be in any other tool like rectangle or oval, but by pressing and holding Ctrl, you can temporarily switch to the selection tool without changing tools. This is a great shortcut to practice from today. There's another way to select multiple objects. Just click and drag the selection tool to create a box over your shapes. Everything inside the box will be selected at once. Now, once selected, you can click and drag to move the object anywhere on the canvas. Let's say I want to move the rectangle, click and hold, drag it, and place it where you like. You can also delete it by simply pressing the delete key. If you want to undo that, press Ctrl+Z and it comes back. Now, here's an interesting part. If you move the selection tool near the edge of a shape, you'll notice the cursor changes to a curve-like symbol. This means you can edit the shape by dragging that edge. Click and drag to slightly bend or reshape it. But remember, this reshaping works only with basic objects, not with groups or symbols. If an object is grouped or turned into a symbol, this edge editing won't work until you double-click to enter the group or symbol. Let's try that. If I group a rectangle and a circle using Ctrl+G, and try to edit the edges, it won't work. But if I double-click to go inside the group, now the shape can be edited. Same goes for symbols, you can double-click to enter and make changes. Another cool thing, the selection tool treats stroke and fill as separate. Let's say I draw a rectangle with a black stroke. If I click once on the fill area, only the fill gets selected, not the outline. If I move it, only the fill moves, and the stroke stays behind. To select both stroke and fill together, simply double-click on the shape. Then you can move the entire object as one piece. Now, if you want to select just the stroke, you can click once on each side while holding Shift. Or to select the entire stroke in one go, just double-click on any part of the outline. So here's a smart tip. Double-click on fill equals selects fill plus stroke, whole shape. Double-click on stroke equals selects full outline. Single-click on fill equals selects only the fill. Single-click on stroke equals selects one edge of the stroke. This was the selection tool, simple but powerful. In fact, 90% of your work in Adobe Animate will involve the selection tool. We'll meet in the next episode with a new tool. If you liked the video, don't forget to like it, and to explore the full Tool by Tool series, subscribe to Tooniverse Academy. See you in the next episode. Bye!